Hey guys, T-Bones here, coming at you with Lessons 24's practice set. So, a 20-inch long ribbon was cut into 8 equal lengths. How long was each ribbon? So here, of course, these are just word problems turning into division. So, 8 equal lengths, so 8 goes into 28. How long, okay? Well, it's not going to go perfectly even, right? 7 goes into 28 4 times. 8 does not. So 8 goes into it 3 times to get you 24, right? With a remainder of 4. You could then go ahead and drop down a 0 and do 3.5. The other option you could do is, you've learned remainders before, right? So you have 28, 8 goes into it 3 times, and you have that 4. You put that 4 up here, and you leave that over 8. Okay, so 4/8, which of course turns into 1/2. Okay, so that remainder of 4 doesn't actually mean anything unless you put it over 8. Okay, remainder could be anything, but a remainder of 4 over 8 does mean something. Okay, so that's a real number. So you could leave things like this. That's how you get that fraction, that you can just leave it there, which is great. B, a whole circle is 100% of a circle. What percent of a circle is 1/7 of a circle? Okay, so that 7 goes into 100. Okay, and we're trying to break 100 into 7 even parts. Okay, and then each one of those parts is 1/7, right? So 7 goes into 10 once, remainder 3, 0 comes down, 7 goes into it 4 times, 28, 2, 2 times, 14, 6, 0 comes down, 7 goes into 60, 8 times, 56, 4, oof. I don't know exactly how long it's expecting you to go for this decimal. You could have also stopped. You could have done 14 and 2 and 2/7. Okay, but we'll just keep going. So 7 goes into 40. 5 times, giving you 35, 5, 0. 7 goes into it 7 times, 49. Seems like this is going to be a long one, guys. Does it want you to round, or is it going, what do they expect you to do here? Oh, they just want you to leave it at that. Okay, fine, yeah. So good. Is it 2? 100 goes into 7, 3, 0, 28, 2. Yeah. Okay, so 14 and 2/7. That's your answer. C. Divide 467 by 10. Write the quotient as a mixed number. Okay. So 46.7. So 46.7 is your answer. Why do I know that? Because anytime you're dividing by 10, all you're doing is moving the decimal point around. But you want it as a mixed number, so 46 and 7/10. D. What were the first 4 multiples? What are the first 4 multiples of 12? All right. So 12, 24, 36, and 48. What are the 6 multiples of 8? So, shoot, I'm not even going to write it. I'm just going to point to this thing. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. So 48 is the last one you need, okay? First 4. Okay. What number is both the third multiple of 8 and the second multiple of... Okay, so third multiple of 8 is 24. So, okay, so here they're getting at... they want you to get factors, okay? Greatest common factors, least common factors. So that 24 is what they're trying to get you to do. Each of these improper fractions as a mixed number. So that's 5 and 5/6. That is 4 and 9/10. And 12 goes into 5 times, so 5 and 5/12. So all you're doing here, how many times does 12 go into 65? So you're doing 12 divided by 65. It goes into it 5 times, 60. 5 is your leftover, so 5/12. Okay. Alright guys, that's your practice set. Have a good one, my dudes. How do I turn this off?